Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important results in trigonometry, the first year related mathematics in intermediate. Let us have a discussion. The first question, prove that sin square theta plus sin square of theta plus pi by 3 plus sin square of theta minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So consider LHS sin square theta plus sin square of theta plus pi by 3 plus sin square of theta minus pi by 3. So here, considering LHS, first term sin square theta as it is, you can write it, plus sin square of theta plus pi by 3. You have to expand sin of a plus b and then square. So keep bracket. Sin of a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here this is a, this is b. So sin of a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. After that, anyway, I will remove that for understanding purpose I am writing. So sin a means sin theta into cos pi by 3 plus cos theta into sin pi by 3 whole square. This was completed. Similarly, sin of a minus b. So here this is a, this is b. Sin of a minus b formula you can apply, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b plus sin theta cos pi by 3 minus cos theta sin pi by 3 whole square. We know that here we are going to apply formula, shortcut formula, algebraic formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Here observe carefully, this is a, this is b, even this is a, this is b. Now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that formula we are going to apply. So which is equal to sin square theta plus these two terms, we can write it as 2 into a square plus b square. That means, what is a square? Sin theta into cos pi by 3 whole square plus a b square, that means cos theta into sin pi by 3 whole square. So now simplification, sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos pi by 3 cos 60 1 by 2. So sin theta into 1 by 2 whole square plus cos theta sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. So sin square theta plus 2 into sin theta by 2 whole square only, no, that meaning, so sin square theta into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 into cos square theta. So 3 by 4 cos square theta. So sin square theta plus each and every term multiplying by 2, it will becomes 1 by 2 sin square theta plus 3 by 2 sin cos square theta. Why? Because multiplying by 2 means 2 ones are 2 twos are no. Sin square theta plus 1 by 2 sin square theta. By taking LCM, it will become 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta is 3 by 2 sin square theta. 3 by 2 sin square theta plus 3 by 2 cos square theta. So 3 by 2 take common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. That value is 1 only, no? We know that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 3 by 2, which is required RHS. So we will move to the next question. In this question also, in terms of cos is there. Previously in terms of sin, now it is in the cos. Consider LHS. So cos square theta plus cos square of 2 pi by 3 plus theta plus cos square of 2 pi by 3 minus theta, which is equal to cos square theta. Like previous problem, we are going to do that. Cos of a plus b, keep bracket. Cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos 2 pi by 3 into cos theta minus sin 2 pi by 3 into sin theta whole square plus, keep bracket, cos of a minus b whole square. So cos of a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos 2 pi by 3 into cos theta plus sin 2 pi by 3 into sin theta whole square, which is equal to. So here observe carefully. This is A completely, this is B. Even this is also A, this is also B. So again A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square. Can I write the formula? A minus B whole square plus A plus B whole square is equal to 2 into A square plus B square. This formula we are going to apply now. So which is equal to first term like this only, cos square theta plus 2 into A square plus B square, 2 into bracket start A square cos 2 pi by 3 into cos theta whole square plus B square sin 2 pi by 3 into sin theta whole square, which is equal to cos square theta plus 2 into, here we need to know about the values of cos 2 pi by 3 sin 2 pi by 3. First I will explain the values and then I will delete. Listen carefully. Cos of 2 pi by 3, that can be written as cos of pi minus pi by 3. Am I right? So 3 pi minus pi 2 pi only, no? Cos of pi minus theta minus cos theta. So minus cos pi by 3 will come. otherwise I will keep it like this only. So wherever cos 2 pi by 3 is there, minus cos pi by 3. Secondly, sin 2 pi by 3. So sin of pi minus pi by 3. In the second coordinate, sin is positive. So sin of pi minus pi by 3 is sin pi by 3. So these values we are going to substitute in the above formula. So cos 2 pi by 3 means minus cos pi by 3, minus cos pi by 3 into cos theta whole square plus sin 2 pi by 3 means sin pi by 3 into sin theta whole square. Here once again I will represent the values of sin and cos. Cos pi by 3 value, that means cos 60 1 by 2, sin pi by 3, whether it is minus or plus, that is we will apply in the question. Sin pi by 3, that means sin 60 root 3 by 2. So substitute the respective values in that. You will get cos square theta plus 2 into cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2 now. So minus 1 by 2 into cos theta whole square plus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 into sin theta whole square, which is equal to cos square theta plus 2 into 1 by 4 cos square theta plus root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4 sin square theta. So now cos square theta, each and every term multiplying by 2. So 1 by 2 cos square theta plus 3 by 2 sin square theta. So 1 by 2 cos square theta plus cos square theta is 3 by 2 cos square theta plus 3 by 2 sin square theta. So 3 by 2 take common from these two, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So therefore 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 3 by 2 RHS. Hence proved. Next question. If sin of alpha plus beta by sin of alpha minus beta equal to a plus b by a minus b, then prove that a tan beta equal to b tan alpha. So first what you have to do, given step you have to write it, given whatever it is. So given sin of alpha plus beta divided by sin of alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b by a minus b. After that you have to apply comparendo and dividendo property. Comparendo and dividendo property. By using componendo and dividendo, we get the next step, that I will write it. So generally a by b equal to c by d means a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. If you want, just I will write it as a formula. Suppose any ratio is like this. xy by is equal to L by m. We can write as x plus y by x minus y is equal to L plus m by L minus m. This is called componendo dividendo property. So by using this, here also we will apply this sin of alpha plus beta plus sin of alpha minus beta divided by sin of alpha plus beta minus sin of alpha minus beta is equal to a plus b plus a minus b divided by a plus b minus a plus b, minus of minus plus. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, 2 sin a cos b. Suppose if you do not remember the formula, you have to expand and write it. Here minus b plus b get cancelled, minus a plus a get cancelled. So you will get here 2a by 2b. Even 2 also get cancelled. So here sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, we have the formulas. I will write it. These formulas also, then only better. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. So numerator formula directly you can write it. Another formula also I am giving, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So you will get sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, which is equal to 2 cos a sin b. So now numerator value will become 2 sin alpha cos beta by denominator. It is in the form of sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b now. So 2 cos alpha sin beta is equal to a by b. So 2 get cancelled. Sin alpha by cos alpha into cos beta by sin beta is equal to a by b. Sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha into cos beta by sin beta is cot beta is equal to a by b. But answer in terms of a, b and tan only, no? So tan alpha into cot beta is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan beta, which is equal to a by b. Now cross multiplication, you will get b into tan alpha is equal to a into tan beta. That's what they are asking to prove, na? They are asking to prove this result. Therefore, conclusion step, a into tan beta is equal to b into tan alpha. Hence, proved. Yeah. Thank you, dear students. If you have any doubts regarding this, please write to my comment box. In my free time, I will help you. Thank you all.